Hi everyone, this is Dr. Srividya Srinivasan, and today I'm going to talk about cough syrup that we consider like really light and easily available on the medical stores, and say it is cherry cough or Piriton or any other cough syrup. Usually we take it for dry cough or productive cough depending on the severity of the ailment. Many of the doctors, not really realizing, they say, okay, why do you need to take a sleeping dose? Say, why don't you take a half a bottle of cough syrup or quarter bottle of cough syrup that will induce sleepiness? But this is because of the compositions of the cough syrup that you get to feel sleepy or dizziness. But it has adverse side effects too, I'm talking about me, like basically, and also after consulting many doctor friends of mine, we all came to a common, understanding of this cough syrup, which has side effects like dry mouth, nausea, vomiting, stomachache, constipation, loss of appetite, headache, hallucinations, blurred visions. So any tablets, medications, be it cough syrup, it has to be taken in a limited way. It should not be overdosed, and it depends on the kind of severity of ailment one has. The doctor prescribes 1 teaspoon a day, 2 teaspoons a day. And sleeping doses cannot be supplemented or replaced with cough syrup, because cough syrup could lead to paranoia, or I would say hallucinations, and it can have really drastic effects depending on the body costumes of people. Like for some people, penicillins are okay, like if you give them penicillin shots, but others, they are allergic to penicillin. The moment they are exposed, they get respiratory arrest. So from body to body, these things vary, and this is just a caution about what I underwent, and people are generally come up with complaints. Don't get intimidated, but be cautious, because every medicine has got its own side effects, and every human body is different in composition, in reacting with the medicines that we take, be it to everyday tablets or to the or a specific medicine that the doctor is prescribing. So we don't have to really be intimidated, but understand. So when you go to physicians, my basic level advice would be, you please tell them about your allergies and about your reactions to medicines. When we talk of allergies, basically your reactions, because the physician may not be really aware of your history, and many a time these days physicians do not have the time to completely understand your history, and many hospitals do not take the historical records. So it's better you take all your files and give to the doctor and explain your allergies or anything that you have, any side effects you have in the past because of some medications. That way you play it safe, and the doctor is also able to understand like what exactly is needed by you, because okay, what do you think of paranoia? That's a common term that we use, right? Paranoia, and what causes it? Like hallucinations. So many people undergo this. This is like a irritational feeling that people have, or like a kind of fear, like, okay, what, like somebody is shadowing them, or somebody is trying to get them. All these kind of paranoid disorders are also a side effect of this cough syrups taken in excessive, say half a bottle, 1 bottle. So if some doctors tells you that, okay, you can take half a bottle, you don't have to take a sleeping dose, no, don't do that. Be on your caution. Take it in a limited way, 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons. Never exceed the medication that you are taking. And if you miss on the dosage, you consult your physician and try to compensate on the dosage before you deciding on, okay, let me take 2, I missed on the dosage, let me take 3. Do not self medicate. So this is my advice to you. With this I am ending my video. So all the best for your speedy recovery if you have one. If not, wishing you all a healthy life. Thank you. God bless.